Once upon a time, in the vast, mysterious lands of India, lived a young girl named Mary Lennox. Mary was a lonely child, often left to her own devices, and she grew up rather spoiled and ill-tempered. But fate had a different plan for her. When her parents tragically passed away, Mary was sent to live with her uncle, Mr. Craven. She arrived at his grand and gloomy estate in England, Misselthwaite Manor. Misselthwaite Manor was a place of many secrets. It had 100 rooms, most of them locked, and vast gardens. Among these gardens, there was one that was particularly special, a secret garden, locked away for 10 years. No one was allowed inside, and its key was lost. Mary, with her curious nature, spent her days exploring the grounds. One day, a friendly robin showed her a hidden key, buried beneath the earth. With the key in her hand, Mary soon discovered a hidden door, covered by ivy. Slowly, she pushed it open, and there it was, the secret garden. It was overgrown and wild, but Mary felt an instant connection to it. It was her secret, a place of wonder and possibility. As Mary began to tend to the neglected garden, she found herself changing. The fresh air and the joy of nurturing something beautiful softened her heart. She met Martha, a kind maid who told her stories of the garden, and Dickon, a boy with a magical touch with animals and plants. Dickon taught Mary how to make the garden bloom again. One night, Mary heard a strange crying sound. Following it, she discovered her cousin, Colin Craven. Colin was Mr. Craven's son, believed to be an invalid and kept hidden away. He was as spoiled and ill-tempered as Mary once was, convinced he was going to die. Mary, with her newfound courage and kindness, refused to believe it. Mary and Dickon secretly brought Colin into the secret garden. The magic of the garden, combined with the fresh air, friendship, and belief in himself, began to work wonders on Colin. He started to walk, to run, and to laugh. The garden, once dead, burst into life, mirroring the transformation within the children. Mr. Craven, who had been away traveling, returned to find a miracle. His son, once frail and despairing, was now strong and full of life, playing happily in the vibrant secret garden. The garden had not only healed Colin, but had also brought joy and connection back to the entire manor. Moral story 1. The power of nature and nurturing. Just like the secret garden, which blossomed with care and attention, our own lives and relationships thrive when we nurture them. Mary and Colin found healing and happiness by connecting with nature. This teaches us that spending time outdoors and caring for living things can bring immense joy and health. Moral story 2. The importance of friendship and kindness. Mary, Colin, and Dickon learned that true happiness comes from friendship. Mary's kindness helped Colin overcome his fears, and Dickon's gentle nature brought them all together. This shows us that being kind and having good friends can make even the hardest times easier and bring out the best in everyone. Moral story 3. Change and growth are possible. Mary and Colin both started as unhappy and difficult children, but through their experiences in the secret garden, they changed and grew into joyful, loving individuals. This reminds us that no matter how we start, we always have the power to change for the better, learn new things, and become the best versions of ourselves. Subscribe for more magical stories and adventures. Don't miss out on our next tale.